Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is a review and a retwist with me with the lock-in locking lock gel, and I'm just showing you guys what it looks like and what the consistency is. I'm starting off with freshly washed hair, and I shampooed it a few days earlier, and then I forgot to get conditioner, or I ran out. Either way, ended up conditioning it that day and then just rinsing it. And what I'm doing is I'm just combing the root just to make sure there's no snags, and then I'm using the locking product to twist my hair. And at the end, I'm going to give you guys a review of what I thought of it compared to other locking gels that I've used so far. Alright you guys, so now it's time for me to give you guys a review of the lock-in locking gel for retwist. So I used it to do my retwist, and I haven't had a retwist in 3 months. It's the longest I've stretched it out because I wanted to see what it would be like if I stretched it out for 3 months, and it was fine. My hair is thinner, so don't know if I'll do 3 months all the time, but definitely like 2.5 maybe. But anyway, about the locking gel, y'all, I was using Jamaican lime. I've had people use wax on my hair. Well, I've only been to a loctician twice, so I had someone use wax on my hair, but personally I was just using the Jamaican lime. I had tried out the Talia Waji Lock It Up, and I thought I liked that too. But y'all, this is amazing, y'all. A little goes such a long way. The consistency is nothing like a gel. Look, that's what I used on my whole head, and I had just opened it, barely used, but it's super moisturizing. A little goes a long way, and I just felt like my locks felt so soft, and like because of how the product locks, I felt as though it actually held. And for me to have gone out in the humidity of North Carolina today and was just fine, I'm like, oh, I like this. This is it after the humidity. I don't know if y'all can see what I'm saying about like it held super. It's like, to me, it reminds me of like a pomade. It would be between a wax and a gel, but with the lock-in style, I feel like it has more of a wax-like quality. Like first you use a little and you're twisting, you're like, oh, it's not gonna do anything, and after a few seconds that junk is locked up and slick, which I really like. It had a bit of shine to it, which I really enjoy. And yeah, like that, I honestly think that is the best locking gel I've used on my hair so far. I love it. I love it. I would rate it a 10 out of 10. And I was really thinking, I was like, man, like my locks, my retwists, whenever I do them, don't have like the shine and the tightness that I really want. And now I realize that's because I wasn't using good locking gel. So all I did was put aloe vera gel on the length of them, and then like a little bit, squeeze it in, and then coat it with the oil. This is the truth. I see what y'all were saying. I literally was like, I need something good, I need something good. This is amazing. I don't think I will be using any other locking gel unless something terribly wrong happens with this. Literally, I would rate this an A 5 stars, 10 out of 10. I literally can't even imagine using anything else right now. And there are people online, I'm just to tell you, that said they experienced buildup with this. And I can see how that happens, which is why I did so much review and so much information. A little goes a long way. Thinner hair like me and you have skinnier locks like me, do not think you need a lot. Like at first, I had used a bit and I had to scrape it off. I said, hello. This is a lot. Like I do not need that much. But yes, it was amazing. And I'm super excited to do more retwists and get better at my retwists now that I'm like, okay, I needed a quality product. So I'm super excited about that. But again, I hope you guys loved this video. If you made it this far, make sure that you thumbs up, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. We are growing in this community and I love putting out fun new content for you guys. So I will catch you guys later in the next video. Bye.